Hi, today I am going to show you how to build a beautiful landing page using Shade Pro WordPress theme. You can see that I have a fresh installation of WordPress dashboard. Everything is fresh and comes with the default WordPress setup. Now, we'll install the Shade Pro theme. To do that, go to Appearance. Then go to Themes. After that, select Upload Theme. You need to select the file you want to upload. Here I have the Shade Pro package. Inside the folder, there is a file called shadepro.zip. We need to select this file. Now, hit Install Now button. It will take a moment to upload the theme successfully. That's it, our theme is successfully uploaded. Now, we need to activate the theme. After activation, we are getting a notification which is saying that we need to install few plugins to run this theme perfectly. Let's install these plugins. After the successful installation, we need to activate all these plugins. Let's do that too. Now, our theme is perfectly ready to run. If we click and check our site from here, we can see that our site is loading perfectly. It's now time to import demos. To do that, we need to go to Appearance, and select Import Demo Data. We can see that all our demos files are just one click away to be installed. Let's start with the initial setup. Click on Import, and confirm. It may take up to 10 minutes depending on the hosting server you are using. Okay, we can see that our initial setup is successfully installed. Let's check our site again. Nice! Our homepage is replaced with this beautiful design. But don't worry, if you want to have another homepage or landing page, we can import that too. Let's do that. Go to Import Demo Data panel again and select the demo you want to have. Let's say, you want a landing page for your upcoming ebook. For that, let's select this one and import it. We can see the confirmation message here. Let's check our site now. Our ebook demo is successfully installed. Now, we can go to our drag and drop builder and edit the text, images and colors as we need and make it publish. It's that simple. Let's change some content using our drag and drop page builder. Go to Pages, from our WordPress dashboard. And select Edit with Elementor under ebook page. This is the interface of our page builder. Here, we can change everything of this page. Let's change the title first. To do that, select the title by a simple click. Then, the option bar on the left will be active. Here we are able to change the text and styles. I have already prepared some text for this. I will just copy and paste it here. Oops! The text is very large now. We have to fix it. Select Style tab from here. Then, select Typography option. Now, we can change the font size from here. Let's give it 50 pixel. Line height and letter spacing is looking weird. Let's fix those too. Now it's looking better. Let's change the subheading also. Great. We can change the image of the book too. Let's do that. Select the image first, and then select Choose Image. Click on Upload Files, and select your image. When the image is successfully uploaded, click on Import Media. Now we can fix the image size from the Style tab. It's super easy, right? Let's update this page and check it live. Looking great. Let's change the background color of this section. To do that, we need to select this section first. We can select any section or layer by opening Navigator from here. Here, select this top section. And then, go to Style tab. We can see there are different types of background here. Gradient, Video, Slideshow and Classic. We will select Classic for now and let's change the color to something black. That's it. Like this way, you can change every section of this page or any other page within seconds and publish it. Thanks for watching this video. Start building beautiful website using Shade Pro.